Hi friends, I am Sneha Visaria Shah. I am a psychologist and a REBT practitioner. I work with kids, adults and adolescents to work on their mental health. As we all are aware of the sad news spreading across the globe about suicides, corona deaths, natural calamities coming up, so these all is very emotionally draining for all of us. We cannot change that has happened, but we can surely take the better steps to take preventive measures towards us. We can take charge of our own lives. For that, the main step is to take care of yourself and take initiative to take care of your loved ones. So today I'm going to share few things about mental health. What mental health is, what exactly does it mean, and why is it important? What is the difference between psychologist and psychiatrist? When do we seek help? What is one main thing that helps you to be happy and stay calm and composed and helps you to deal with all your problems in life? I'll be speaking about this one by one. So I'll start with what mental health is. Now, mental health is very, very important. It constitutes with different sections like emotional well-being, mental well-being, physical well-being, and financial well-being. So these all are the main factors which contributes mental health. So how you deal with problems in your life, how you deal with the people around you in your life, what are the emotions you deal with it internally, what are the talks you do to your head inside your mind, what do you talk to yourself, how do you spend money, do you spend money recklessly or are you a miser or you spend it wisely. All these are small small things which helps to make a mental health. Now, talking about mental health, how do we define it? Mental health, if we see, we all are very different and unique than each other. You, I, everybody is very different and unique than each other. So is the personality traits and qualities. We all differ in each and every traits and qualities. So we do not need to compare ourselves with any other people. You see what you need and take initiative. Now next, what is the difference between psychologist and psychiatrist? Now I want to emphasize more on this topic as I want every confusion to be solved, as many people have that confusion, what does psychologist do and is, and what psychiatrist is and what he or she does. Now, psychologist is a master's, MPhil or PhD in psychology, whereas psychiatrist is MD in psychiatry, whereas he performs MBBS and then he pursues his psychiatry. Now, what do they both deal with? Psychologist deals with and helps you with counseling, assessments, diagnosis. He or she works upon the emotions and issues with you via talking therapies. There are many talking therapies which we use. Psychiatrist prescribes medicines. Now, there is no harm in taking medicines unless you know when and how. Now, you just need to take medications only if it is prescribed by a psychiatrist for your mental health, and do not take help of any Google for all this. Next, whom do you visit first or whom do you seek first? Now, you visit psychologist first, and unless and until your psychologist advises you or tells you to go to psychiatrist for all the situation or the medication, you do not visit psychiatrist first. So this is how you go ahead with the process with the expert. And other than the expert, there is always a strong support systems which you can always go to whenever you are in need, and these strong support systems are your family, friends, relatives and all your loved ones. When you want to vent all your emotions, when you are very buried with all your emotions and you are not able to react properly and you are disturbed, you can always go and vent out in front of them. So this is the major difference between psychologist, psychiatrist and support systems. Now, whenever you are talking to expert or whenever you are taking help from expert, there is always a neutral and non-judgmental perspective they help you with. Their emotions are not rested in you, so it becomes easy for the expert to give you non-judgmental ideas and suggestions. Whereas when you talk to your loved ones, your relatives, their emotions are rested in you. So there can be like they can be little bit tilted towards you, they can be little biased towards you, and there can be a fear of being judged, which is a, a major problem with all the people around. So this is the difference between expert and strong support systems. Now, talking about mental health, your mental health and your mental well-being, what do you do? Now, understand that all these issues related to anxiety, loneliness, negativity happens because of one reason, which is you. Now, how you and why you? Because everything, like whatever you perceive, the how you perceive world will make you or either break you. Now, because the perception plays a vital role in dealing with the environment around you. How you see yourself and how you see environment will help you to see yourself better. So it's very important to keep your perception realistic, positive, and that's the main thing which helps you to be mentally healthy. Now, other thing that you should know is, how are you treating yourself? Are you treating yourself first, or are you treating others before you? Now, very important here is to take care of yourself first and then take care of others, because what you have is what you give. Now, there is no meaning of being selfish here, because if you don't take care of yourself first, if you don't love yourself, and you just keep lending ears to others, and you just keep hearing to others, if you keep supporting to others, it won't work. It will not work long. So unless and until you love yourself, you take care of yourself, you are able to, then only you are able to, help others and protect others and support others. So this is all about mental health. I have just spoken about mental health in very basic way, and I will like to know how do you felt in this particular session. Please write about your views in the comments, and let me know if any other topic you want me to speak on. So thank you for the day and stay safe. Thank you.